Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to your online classes again. So today we are having the next lecture of English, and for this I have this book, Understand and Communicate Book 1. So I'm going to teach you a chapter from this book, and the chapter's name is The Useful Coconut Palm. So I'm going to open this book on page number, yes, I have this page number 45, and on this page I have lesson number 7, and this is the useful coconut palm. So today we are going to read this chapter. I'm going to tell you a little bit summary about this chapter, that what is this chapter about and what is this chapter teaching us, and then we will do a little bit of its back exercise, discuss its back exercise as well. So now let's start it. So the useful coconut palm. So basically this chapter is about a coconut palm tree, and this chapter is letting us know about the advantages that we gain with the coconut palm. So there is a person who used to stand one night in the Philippines, and he stood in a grove of great coconut palms with an old man who had spent his life tending them. If you could not those stars, he told me, pointing to the sky, then you could not count all the ways that coconuts serve us. So this old man let that man know what are the basic useful advantages, or how useful coconut palm is to us. So many people used to call this coconut palm as the tree of life, and this strange tree is far by is by far the most useful of all trees. It not only provides material to build an entire house, but most of the furnishings, bed, mattresses, carpets, brooms, cups, saucers, even soap and toothbrushes. These all things are possible to make with the help of this coconut palm tree. Now, coconut palm tree also provides cloth for the whole family. It gives a fisherman materials to build his boat and to equip it with sails, ropes, fishing lines, and nets as well. And it also used to provide the actual food to be cooked, and as well as all varieties of drinks. And coconut palm is basically a hot tree at all. It has no branches and no proper bark. In normal trees, the bark carries the vital sap, whereas the coconut palm sap rises through the whole diameter, almost all the way up. Though it always seems to have some curve or lining, it has no growth rings either, but its age can be recognized by aspiring row of scars left by leaves that have fallen away. The coconut palm also demands plenty of sunlight and rain. Southeast Asia seems to have been its original home, but today it grows on islands in the Pacific and Indian Oceans, in the Caribbean, in East Africa, and even further afield. Now in this chapter they are letting us know about the advantages that we used to have, that coconut palm provides trees to the people where this tree is found, and where the people used to live near these trees. Well, many of the people, like who used to live near the shores of who used to live on the islands, so there is a plenty of coconut palm trees. So the people living there used coconut palm for their clothing. It also gives them wood to make furniture like bed, mattresses, carpets, brooms. Many other things they can be made with the help of this, and they can also make food with the variety of food and drinks with the help of coconut. Mm, and this coconut palm is usually found in the Southeast Asia, and Southeast Asia is basically it is its original home, but today it is also grown on the islands in the Pacific and Indian Oceans as well, and in the Caribbean, in East Africa as well. So this is about the useful coconut palm tree. And there is something like there is, you may say, a perception, like some years ago volcanic action threw up a new little island in the East Indies. When it cooled off enough for men to be able to visit it, they found 41 coconuts cast up on the beach and sprouting. The palm can grow inland, but it has a mysterious affinity with the sea. Nearly all the coconuts on earth grow on island, coast, or peninsulas. Yes, whenever we used to watch a movie or cartoons, so there are basically most of those scenes in which they have islands, and on the island there are a number of coconut palms. So the palms used to grow inland, and they have a mysterious affinity with the sea. So they usually found near the sea. After this chapter, we have the back exercise of this chapter. First is the meaning in context, and we have two parts for this context. Basically, we have to find out the meanings of these words according to the context, according to the lines in which they are present in the chapter. And after this, we have to choose the best answer. So, by his words, the old man implied that option C, it was almost impossible to count all the ways that coconut serves us. Then we have second option in the second question. In the second and third paragraph, the writer names option A some of the uses of the coconut palm. The fourth paragraph shows between the coconut palm and other trees the differences. Option C. How did the 41 coconuts get to the new island? Option C. They were cast there as a result of volcanic action. After this, we have question answers. Now let us discuss these question answers. What parts of the coconut palm can we use to build a house? So, the answer to this very first question is we can use the stem and leaves of coconut palm to build a house. Second is how do you think the coconut palm heats a house with fire and cools it with fans? Its answer is its wood is used for burning, which keeps the house warm, and its leaves are used for fanning. What is the edible part of the coconut called? Name three ways we can use it in cooking. Now, the eatable part of coconut is called nut. Three ways to use coconut in cooking are number one is the white fleshy part of the coconut is used in cooking either fleshy or dry. Desiccated coconut can be used in desserts. Coconut milk is also used for making several recipes. Question number four. How can we tell the age of a coconut palm? We can tell the age of coconut palm by the scars left by fallen leaves. One scar represents 1 month. The next question is how does the writer say the coconut palm spread so widely? How is the coconut able to float? Do you think this ability provides an explanation for its mysterious affinity with the sea? Now, its answer is the writer says man planted the most existing palms, but they can spread themselves too by falling into the sea and floating to the friendly beach. The coconut is able to float because it has a thick layer of shell and contains a lot of air. Yes, I think coconut's ability to float explains its mysterious affinity with the sea. So this is basically about this chapter, which is the useful coconut palm. And here on this title page of this chapter, you may see how they have utilized the coconut palm in different ways, in the form of boats, in the form of furniture, house building, or all other things. They used to do a lot of variety of things to with the coconut palm. So this is basically the chapter, the useful coconut palm. So if you have to do this chapter, you have to just open your English Understand and Communicate book number 1, which is here like this, and then on page number 45 you have this chapter, the useful coconut palm, and you can do all the back exercise and each and everything just before by just reading this chapter once. Thank you.